Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's been a little while since I sat down and recorded anything, but I wanted to share something exciting. So I had to go to Cambridge earlier this week. Well, let's see, today's Friday. When did I go? Wednesday. And I was going to try out some new contact lenses. And on the way back, I thought I'll pop into Mart. I am after two things from the Little Monsters, the Labubu, the food collectibles. There is a salad and there is also a little tuna or sardines tin with the Labubu sleeping in there with a little drop of snot. I don't know why, but I find them really adorable, and so my son is collecting that entire collection and also the Little Monsters yoga Labubus as well. And so I had an agreement with him that if we get those two are mine and the rest he can have. So I was really excited when I got the salad. It is so adorable. It comes like in a little salad bowl or like a box that you get a takeaway, and love the detail on the incredible toys and how sweetly they're made. And this is why you can see always adults shopping in Mart. So I have become a regular customer, and it comes with a nice kind of glossy plastic lid. The great thing about Labubu or Mart rather toys is that they combine different types of plastic. Sometimes they're fuzzy, sometimes they have like a matte feel, a glossy feel, and I guess they're very, very tactile, and the attention to detail is amazing. So I am super happy with my salad bowl here. It's called the salad, I think, or salad, simply put. But basically there is a little cute Labubu sleeping inside this salad box on a bed of lettuce, and then you have some boiled egg, tomatoes. I think these are shrimp, and these look like broccoli and a bit of blueberry here and some radish. This heart-shaped cutout, I think, is supposed to be a type of a radish, maybe a pickled radish, and cute little radish elements here on each side of the smile. And you can't take him out, he's fixed in there, but really, really cute. Love the glossy eyes and the kind of the white textured finish on him. Adorable, just adorable. Cute. Do you let me know if you want to see my son's collection of all of his Labubus? Like, I'm talking about everything. He's got a nice little collection now, so it might be cute for some of you to see. And I think if you enjoy Labubu, you would definitely enjoy that. So let me know down in the comments if you'd love to see them. Okay, I am incredibly excited about the main event, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this big Labubu. Just to give you a little pre-story, as I was paying for 2 boxes of these, we had 1 repeat, so I don't know, do you want to see the repeat? Maybe you want to see the repeat? I'll show you the repeat. The repeat I keep for Mason's buddies. When they come for a play date, we give them a little gift. So typically when you buy the box, it comes with a label that they attach to say that it's, you know, new. And then you get like a nice little bag inside, and you get a card. So before you open the bag, because they're kind of mystery items, like you don't know until you open, you can either look at the card and know what you're getting, or you put the card away, which is usually what my son does, and then let yourself surprise just opening the little bag and discovering what's inside. So here is a little repeat. They're always packaged really well, and this is a little corn, and I think it's just called corn. Yeah, so the name is here, and it's sort of made like a little cash receipt, which is really adorable. So in this case, you have got some corn, like popcorn popping out, and then the little Labubu sitting inside the corn with his cute little feet. They all stand up and can be displayed as figurines on a shelf, and the colors, the textures look adorable. This one has a bit of a a bit of a quiff going on here, which you can, I suppose, style if you wanted to. So one of Mason's friends is going to get that one on the next play date. And then these are all of the ones that you can collect. And there's always a mystery one, which is really exciting because a few weeks ago, I got Mason a little box and it was the mystery limited edition Food Labubu. So Mason's face, the way it lit up, was priceless. Just to see him unpacking and realizing that that was the limited edition Labubu was so adorable. Love it. But let's see, what else do we have? So he has the cup of noodles, he has milk, corn, he's got chips, and I think that is it, and the secret one. So we're still after grilled sausage, fried shrimp, sandwich, canned sardines, onigiri, and chow mein, and yakitori. So quite a few still to collect, but let me show you the other repeat that we have is the chips. I'm just going to pull it out of the bag, and basically it's a really heavy one, and he sits inside a bowl, and it's made to look like a wooden bowl. And then this pack is meant to be a pack of crisps that he somehow got inside, ripped a hole, and is sitting and eating, and there are his little feet here. So we've got a repeat of that one as well. So someone will be nicely surprised next time they're coming for a play date. And yeah, I mean, how adorable, right? Okay, so once I got these at the till, after I paid, the girl was saying to me, oh yes, so I was looking at this big Labubu that was right by the till. So I was kind of touching him, and you know, he felt really tactile and cute and adorable. I loved his outfit. I thought he looked so cool. And then she said to me, if you like him, we only have 2 left, and they usually restock them every 6 months. And I kind of usually don't do impulse purchasing, but he was so adorable that I had to get him after she showed me that his eyes are rotatable, so you can flip it. And there are, I think, 4 different eyes that you can do with him, and he comes also with glasses, which I thought, wow, he already looked cute as he was, and then with the whole thing, I just thought, okay, you know what, it felt so cute. So I'm going to unbox it together here with you, so you'll see all of my excitement here in camera. So let's get to it. Also wanted to show you how cute their bags are. They usually have different designs, and really nice to just even get a present for someone and display it in such a cool paper bag. So let's get to the big Labubu. I'm gonna have a bit of a coffee sip because I'm excited. Let's go. So it's my first big Labubu. When I say big, it's the kind of, not the huge Labubus, but it's big enough to be substantial. Comes in a box like that. So it's the Monsters Flip With Me. So the name is Flip With Me, and you basically have 4 sets of eyes. We have got the kind of zonked out eyes, heart, which is my favorite, pink heart. Then these ones are, I think, like dark brown, I think. And these are blue with some stars in there. And that's what the box looks like. So let's figure out how to open it. I think there are 2 stickers on each side. I have to say, Pop Mart is just amazing when it comes to their thinking And designing of toys, amazing. Toys for, you know, not just kids, but people who can collect them. Amazing. Okay, so then comes this. Ooh. Oh my god. How cute is he? Oh. Love it, because I always get my son the Converse, and in fact he has some baby Converse somewhere in the frame, and I love when boys are dressed cool. Let's take him out and put the glasses on, and I can't wait to cuddle him and show you more. Okay, so I got the glasses out, and at the top, just above his head, there was a little kind of card that always comes with Labubu toys, or the Pop Mart toys. It's kind of like authorizing them. Oh, cute. It actually has a little lens as well. I mean, these are big, mind you. I think they could fit me. Oh, oh yeah. How's that looking? Oh, I should do like a a little thumbnail there. Anyways, only joking. They're a bit short, so they're not really sitting well. I'm gonna wipe my makeup off. Sorry, Labubu. And let's open up the card. I'm gonna show you the eyes. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I know you're here for the eyes. Okay, that's it. It just says the monsters flip with me, and that. There is nothing else. I thought maybe there is something. Okay, so I'm going to keep it in a little envelope. And let's see if we can pop the glasses on. So his head is quite wide. Oop. Let's see. Oh, cute. Oh my god. I'm just checking my mic is still going. How adorable. His head is a bit tilted, which I don't mind, but it's like you can see he's not stiff. And then what is here? Oh, you can remove the shoes, and you got these like little bags, and he can be bare feet if he wants to. Oh my god, how cute is that? Oh my god, I am so glad I got this impulse purchase. And let me show you. Oh, so you can fully like undress him. He's got nice cute shorts with pockets. Oh my god, Zara doesn't do pockets sometimes. They do these faux pockets on the jackets and sometimes trousers. These have real pockets, you guys. Wow. And at the back, same thing, real pockets at the back. You could put a little coin or something, you know. Oh my goodness, look at that. The detail, the cute little buttons, everything is functional. So you can unbutton if you wanted to. Oh, he's such a hipster. Oh my god, love it. Love, love, love it. My son hasn't seen it yet, so I will let him look at it in a bit. Wow, okay, let's do the eyes. I know you're here for the eyes. So you just rotate them. Here is my favorite, the little pink heart. Yay! Then we have got the googly googly eyes, which is great. I think he's going to probably live here in my studio on the armchair, and it will represent how I'm feeling on the day. So if I haven't had coffee yet in the morning, this is what you get. And then this is him kind of feeling normal, just casual, you know, hanging out. And this is him seeing stars. Oh god, how cute is he? I love the weight. I love how tactile he is. He's really a cuddly toy. Like, you would think he's got hard plastic on him, like the arms, the legs, but he's very cuddly, like, you know, really soft. The face is quite big. I love how he's got such a nice presence to him, and he can stand up. Like, you can look, I'm just standing him up. Yeah. David Copperfield. Ooh. But yeah, adorable. Love it. I can't wait to go and show my son, but it's mine. It's mine. I did tell him that if he does something really important, he needs to learn a skill. And if he does, I will get him a Labubu this size, but he has to do it first. You know what I mean? I'm going to go show it to him. Okay. So adorable. So adorable. Love him, love him, love him. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope that's going to be a nice dose of dopamine for Friday and the entire weekend for you, and that you're going to have an amazing time this weekend doing whatever. Pop to Pop Mart if you need a little dopamine dose in the shape and form of this gorgeous Labubu. They have other ones as well. I didn't even look. I love this one. He is just so cute. I'm a boy's mama, and I've got 3 boys in my house: my husband, my son, and my British short hair Teddy. So I support women too, don't you get me wrong, but I think men rock. I can't stop looking at him. God. Okay. See you later. See you next time.